Hello student, now we are going to study about different complex tissue, that is structure of xylem and structure of phloem. So xylem, it is also called as wood. It is water conductive tissue present in higher plant. These are dead complex tissue and they are made up of 4 components. The first, that is tracheids, second vessels, third xylem fiber, fourth xylem parenchyma. So tracheids, they are dead elongated cell with tapering end. Their wall are highly thickening. They show various type of thickening like annular, spiral, scalariform, reticulate, pitted means small spot like, again bordered pitted. So annular, mostly these are ring like structure. Spiral, this is spherical structure. Scalariform, alternate band structure. Reticulate and small hole like structure, that is pitted. So these different wall thickening are present on tracheids. The second one, that is vessels. Vessels are made up of elongated tubular cells and they are placed end to end with intervening wall dissolve. So they are dead cells and they have lignified wall, means thick wall is present in these vessels. So they also show thickening like annular, spiral, scalariform. Vessels are present in angiosperm. These are metaxylem vessels, means large size xylem, metaxylem vessels. Third one, that is xylem fiber. Sclerenchyma cells associated with xylem, they are called as xylem fiber or xylem sclerenchyma. They give mechanical strength to xylem. So these are xylem fibers, xylem sclerenchyma. Last one, xylem parenchyma. Parenchymatous cells associated with xylem, they are called as xylem parenchyma. And the main function, that is they store food as well as water, mostly they store water. So these are xylem parenchyma. The next, that is phloem. So phloem, these are also called as leptum. These are food conductive tissue. It is living complex tissue and they are also made up of 4 type of cells. So first, that is sieve tubes. So sieve tubes are made up of many elongated cells. They possess cytoplasm but nucleus is absent in this sieve tube. Their end wall are perforated like sieve. This is called as sieve plate. This is sieve plate. So these sieve plates are important for communication with other. Sieve tubes are present only in angiosperm. The second tissue, that is companion cells. So each sieve tube is associated with special parenchymatous cells called as companion cell. So these are companion cells. distinct nucleus is present in companion cells. The next one, phloem fibers. So sclerenchyma cells associated with phloem, they are called as phloem fibers or phloem sclerenchyma. Their wall are lignified with simple holes. The next one, that is phloem parenchyma. These are parenchymatous cells associated with sieve tube and companion cells called as phloem parenchyma. So these are phloem parenchyma cells. So these are different type of complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem and their component.